Atibagos from Untusan, Calanas, Masbate.
Dauba Brian Kim James King, grandson of Mrs. Rebecca Baring from Untusan, Calanas, Masbate.
The common DJ C, son of Mr. Primitivo De Camon from Salvacion, Palanas, Masbate.
Lagunero Christian Lloyd P, grandson of Mrs. Faye Pahin from Salvacion, Palanas, Masbate.
Versosa Mark Angelo S, son of Mrs. Perlin Versosa from Intusan, Calanas, Masbate.
Versosa George R, son of Mrs. Leia Versosa from Intusan, Palanas, Masbate.
Alvarado Hannah A, daughter of Mrs. Virgie Alvarado from Intusan, Palanas, Masbate.
Grabe, mga taga-Intusan mo na yun.
Araneta Maria Crisanta L, daughter of Mrs. Mary Jane Araneta from Maanahaw, Palanas, Masbate.
Wambot Rodeline T, daughter of Mrs. Luz Vilmina Wambot from Intusan, Palanas, Masbate.
Gomez Jessa T, daughter of Mrs. Bibilisa Gomez from Intusan, Palanas, Masbate.
Legara Mary Joy A, daughter of Mrs. Judith Legara from Salvacion, Palanas, Masbate.
Malazarte Geraldine P, daughter of Mr. Jamie Malazarte from Salvacion, Palanas, Masbate.
Managase Mary Jean P, daughter of Mrs. Linley Managase from Salvacion, Palanas, Masbate.
Nogas Hasil M, daughter of Mr. Russell Nogas from Maanahaw, Palanas, Masbate.
Bahid Abigail P, daughter of Mr. Arnel Pahid from Salvacion, Palanas, Masbate.
Pikit-Pikit Delma C, daughter of Mrs. Telly Pikit-Pikit from Salvacion, Palanas, Masbate.
Saludar Annalyn S, daughter of Mr. Antonio Saludar Sr. from Salvacion, Palanas, Masbate.
Sumabat Arthur L. Miss o Mrs. Mayman Regalo from Salvacion, Palanas, Masbate.
Next, we honor the outstanding achievements of our learners who have shown exemplary performance and academic excellence. To confer the awards, once again, may we call on our school head, Mr. Ray Atacador, our public schools district supervisor, our members of the faculty, Mr. Ray Asibuque, the class advisor of the graduating class, and our distinguished guests.
Uy, gold. Wow. Prenda na score niya.
Let me read to you the citation of the certificate. Republic of the Philippines, Department of Education, Region 5, Schools Division of Masbate Province, Salvacion National High School, Salvacion, Palanas. This certificate of recognition is hereby awarded to Abigail P. Pahid for achieving the Academic Excellence Award with honors in grade 12 Aquarius for the school year 2024-2025 during the 8th graduation rites with the theme Generation of Unity Partners for the New Philippines, given this 14th day of April 2025 at Salvacion National High School, Salvacion, Palanas, Masbate. Signed by Mr. Ray Asibuque, class advisor, and Mr. Ray D. Atacador, principal. Another certificate of participation is presented to Abigail P. Pahid for her active participation during the Division School Press Conference held at Aroroy National High School, Aroroy, Masbate on November 7 to 9, 2024. She will also receive the Senate Gold Medal for Academic Excellence, a prestigious award given to graduating students with the highest academic distinction. This recognition, bestowed by the Senate of the Philippines, highlights exceptional achievement and emphasizes the value of excellence and dedication in education. Special awards. Certificate of commendation is hereby given to Mary Joy A. Legara, Student Leader, Salvacion National High School, for her commendable service and active role in the implementation of the mandated programs, projects, and activities of the Learner Formation Program as the Vice President of the Supreme Secondary Learner Government for the school year 2024-2025. Signed by Raimundo Cantonos, School Division Superintendent.
Malazarte of grade 12 Aquarius for consistently, dutifully, and exemplary exercise of the core values. And also, certificate of commendation is hereby given to Jerilyn P. Malazarte. As the grade 12 representative.
Conduct Award is hereby awarded to Hannah A. Alvarado of grade 12 Aquarius for consistently, dutifully, and exemplary exercise of the core values.
Hi, te.
Hi.
Hello, guys.
Another conduct award is hereby awarded to Maria Crisanta L. Araneta of grade 12 Aquarius for consistently, dutifully, and exemplary exercise of the core values.
Conduct Award is hereby awarded to Annalyn S. Saludar.
Is given to PJ C.D. Common. During the Kester 5 Athletic Selection Week 2024 at Katayngan National High School.
Outstanding Parent of the Year Award is hereby awarded to Mr. and Mrs. Arnel Pahi for the active support, participation, and exemplary contributions to all the projects and activities of the school during the 8th graduation rites. Thank you so much to our awardees. Once again, congratulations.